The travel season is just around the corner, and the airports can pose challenges to people with mobility issues. In this video, we shall look at 20 ways you can ensure a smoother air travel if you have mobility issue. Let's get started. Notify the airline in advance about your specific needs, such as wheelchair assistance or other accommodations. You can do this while booking your ticket online or by calling the customer care after the bookings are complete. Request seats with extra legrooms or near the front for easier boarding and disembarking. Pre-book your seat if the option is available, or check in early to do the same before the travel date. Arrange for wheelchair assistance from check-in to the gate and then upon arrival. This must be booked ahead of time during the booking process. Remember to ask for the wheelchair assistance right at the check-in and then wait in the plane until everyone has disembarked at the end of the journey. The assistance service will come pick you up shortly after. Most airlines provide priority boarding for passengers with disabilities. Stay in the vicinity of your boarding gate so you can hear when the flight agents announce the special boarding times. Bring necessary mobility aids and ensure they meet airline regulations. The list of such items is available on each airline website. Call the customer service if you need clarification. Carry essential medications in your carry-on and bring relevant medical documentation if needed. Remember to keep the carry-on close to you and not forget them on the assisting carts or wheelchairs. Choose a seat close to accessible lavatories and be aware of their locations on the plane. Bring items for comfort such as neck pillows, blankets, and earplugs. Long-distance flights will usually provide such comfort items. However, it's always a good idea to carry your own. Inform the cabin crew about your needs and don't hesitate to ask for assistance during the flight. This includes the time of your meal and when you need to use the lavatory. Check if the airline provides accessible in-flight entertainment options. Having your own entertainment options is always a good idea. Utilize an aisle chair for transferring between your wheelchair and the aircraft seat. Plan your comfort breaks, especially on longer flights. Book a premium seat if you are able to afford it. Such seats also come with extra legroom. Many airports offer assistance services. Inquire about them when booking your ticket. Concierge service, lodge access, and luggage transfer services are a few to name. Be prepared for security screening and inform the TSA agents about your needs. Concierge services proves to be helpful as they assist you during this process and you can skip the long line. Clearly label your luggage with contact information and consider using luggage assistance services. Consider travel insurance that covers potential health-related issues. Medical services can be expensive in foreign countries depending on your destination. It is always a good idea to have a health and travel insurance bundle for a peace of mind. Allow ample time for connecting flights to avoid rushing between the gates. Bring any necessary adaptive technology or communication devices that might be useful in communicating with fellow passengers or with the airline crew. Remember that assistance button is also located by the screen for many airlines. Consider traveling with a companion for additional assistance if required or possible. Plan your transportation from the airport to your final destination, ensuring it accommodates your needs. For example, booking a taxi that is wheelchair accessible and has enough room for your belongings. I hope you feel more informed after watching this video. If you have more suggestions that might help people with mobility issues, please mention them in the comment section below. And for more travel-related videos like these, subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Travel on a Dime, right now.